Tired of hearing the same old side hustle ideas? Surveys, dropshipping, and flipping items? Been there, done that? Today, I'll share 3 unique side hustles that no one talks about. These are flexible, accessible to anyone, and can help you make up to $500 a week. No gimmicks, no scams, just real opportunities. Let's dive in. The first side hustle is audio transcription. If you're good at listening and typing, this could be perfect for you. Platforms like Rev, TranscribeMe, and GoTranscript will pay you to convert audio files into text. These could be meeting notes, podcasts, or even YouTube captions. How does it work? You sign up, take a short test to prove your skills, and then start accepting assignments. Most transcription jobs pay between $15 and $25 an hour, depending on your speed and accuracy. And the best part? You can work anytime, anywhere. Pro tip: use tools like Grammarly to catch typos and Otter.ai to speed up your transcription process. It's a game changer. Next up is online mystery shopping. This isn't the typical in-store mystery shopping you've heard of. Instead, you'll review websites, test their functionality, and provide feedback about your experience. Companies like BestMark, IntelliShop, and MarketForce pay $10 to $50 per task, depending on the assignment. Here's how it works. You sign up, complete your profile, and start receiving tasks. These could involve testing a website's checkout process, evaluating customer service, or reviewing product descriptions. Sometimes, you even get free items or gift cards as a bonus. Pro tip: set up a separate email account for assignments and check it often. These gigs fill up fast, so being quick is the key. This side hustle is perfect if you enjoy shopping or just want an excuse to explore new products. Plus, who doesn't love getting paid to shop? Finally, let's talk about voiceover gigs. If people have ever complimented your voice, this might be your golden opportunity. Platforms like Fiverr, Voices.com, and Upwork are full of clients looking for people to record ads, YouTube intros, audiobooks, or explainer videos. You don't need a professional studio to start. A good USB microphone, free software like Audacity, and a quiet room are all you need. Beginners can earn around $50 per project, and as you gain experience, you can charge hundreds. The work is fun, creative, and flexible. You can record multiple projects in a single day. Pro tip: practice reading scripts out loud to improve your delivery, and use noise reduction tools to make your recordings sound professional. So, there you have it. 3 underrated side hustles that can help you earn extra cash from the comfort of your home. Which one will you try first? Let me know in the comments below. If you found this video helpful, give it a thumbs up, subscribe for more money-making tips, and hit the bell icon so you don't miss any future uploads. Let's turn your free time into profit. See you in the next video.